Lithuania, children are now learning how to build, program and fly drones. It comes in an effort by the country's defense ministry to prepare society to deter future threats from Russia. AirTech is a program that teaches young students how to use a drone simulator as well as how to assemble and operate a physical drone.
This is the track that I picked, and this is the controller. And when I press start, I need to go through these boxes and finish the lap.
Further on in the course, students will be taught how to fly the drones through hoops suspended from the ceiling and positioned on the floor, and they will also have the opportunity to take part in drone races.
So I'm teaching how to fly drones, how to lift them, how to use them. We're learning how to race, because we have first racing in October.
AirTech says the program is designed to teach children skills that may be useful in their future careers, as well as to interest them in the technology. The launch of the program follows a recent surge in drone incursions, allegedly Russian, into European airspace. Other Baltic nations, such as Estonia, have introduced similar initiatives.